Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to reduce the noise in the CapCut app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the CapCut app, and here it usually opens up in the home menu where we have our projects. Here we have to select one that we want to work on. And after we select it, in the editing menu we have to find the clip that we want to edit. And after we tap on the clip, in the bottom bar, we scroll to the right and find the reduce noise. Now we tap on this button, and then this little toggle feature is going to pop up. If we toggle this, then the noise of the clip is going to be reduced. It takes some time for the app, but after it is done, we can tap OK, and then we have reduced the noise of a clip. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.